Welcome to the Asbestos Hazards Training Course, your essential guide to understanding and managing asbestos risks on the job. In this comprehensive online course, you'll learn about the characteristics and health effects of asbestos and how to identify and avoid exposure. Discover best practices for housekeeping on the job, recognize signs and areas of asbestos hazards, and understand monitoring techniques. Equip yourself with knowledge on personal protective equipment, from head and face protection to hand, arm, body, and foot protection, ensuring you're fully covered. Learn how to respond effectively to asbestos releases and avoid exposure, protecting yourself and your coworkers from potential harm. Enroll in the Asbestos Hazards Training Course today. Equip yourself with the knowledge to stay safe and compliant in environments where asbestos is present. Visit our website and start your training now.